Yeah, Ethan. This is actually a bird called an aviary. It's a protected bird area. We're inside actually a giant bird cage, but it's so big that the birds can still fly around in a very free style. But they're protected here in a kind of a natural space. And it's an easy place for people to come and study them and to visit with them, to see them and play with them. Yeah, like little Ethan. Isn't that right, Ethan? Yeah, good boy. The birds are everywhere. Look at them. All around. Oh, look at those two beautiful parrots out there. Wow, look at them. So nice.